Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to remove a watermark in Photoshop, a handy skill for various editing needs. So start by opening your image in Photoshop and then right-click on the layer containing the watermark image and select Duplicate Layer. And all you have to do is to click OK. So once you're done duplicating the layer, to remove the watermark, just click on this one, the spot healing brush tool. It should open a various options. For example, this one, and we will choose the remove tool. So after clicking the remove tool, adjust the size here to make the circle even more bigger. So once you're done, all we have to do now is to delete the watermark images, just like that. See? Now once you're done, let's see the differences of the previous picture and the picture that has no watermark. So let's see. So very easy, right? All you have to do is to use the remove tool in Photoshop so that you can remove the watermark on the image that has a watermark on it. So once you're satisfied with the watermark removal, save your edited image. Just simply go to File, then Save As. Here, File, then Save As. And then choose your preferred format. It's either JPEG, PNG, and etc. And that's it. You now know how to remove a watermark in Photoshop. Remember, this technique should only be used for lawful and ethical purposes, like editing your own images or with proper permission. Before we finish up, always respect copyright and intellectual property rights. Removing watermarks from images without permission can lead to legal issues. Use this knowledge responsibly. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to remove a watermark in Photoshop. See you on my next video.